Maine's Department of Environmental Protection has just lifted its air quality advisory related to the smoke from that fire.
It now says particle pollution in that smoke is moderate, meaning air quality is now acceptable. Still, Orrington's fire chief says it may take several more days to put the fire out. Here's News Center Maine's Katie Delaney.
The Maine Department of Environmental Protection and the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency have been monitoring the air quality here. Officials say nothing hazardous was found at the scene of the fire or surrounding areas, but the smoke can still cause health problems.
Just with the air quality alerts that have been out and the smells that have been around, so it's definitely something that's been concerning and on my mind.
Orrington firefighters are still fighting the fire from the outside and are working on a plan to safely extinguish the trash pile on the inside of the building. Fire Chief Scott Stewart estimates they've put 1.5 million gallons of water on the fire already.
No matter really how much water we put on it, it runs off the pile and out the door versus get to the fire itself and extinguish it. So we have to mechanically use equipment to get there and to open the pile up.
The renewable waste facility, formerly known as PERC, was sold to Eagle Point Energy Center earlier this year. An Eagle Point representative says 10,000 tons of trash was left behind by the former owners. Eagle Point is about halfway done clearing that waste.
Unfortunately, this fire broke out, during those efforts, and all we can do is try to accelerate those plans to get the facility cleaned up.
Eagle Point was already planning to demolish and rebuild the portion of the building that's burning, so the fire is not slowing down the facility's plans to reopen in 2025.
But this does not change our start of construction this year to be able to refurbish the facility and get it to be a safe facility that provides a great service for the region.
The EPA has now left the scene after completing its testing. DEP is still monitoring the air quality in areas affected by the fire. We're now still waiting on water quality test results from the Penobscot River. In Orrington, Katie Delaney, News Center, Maine.